Hey, bro. Bro, 1 second. Could you tell us about the police food truck? Do you go to events that you feed the police officers?
Just the police, yep. We feed the police, so it's coffee, water, snacks.
Is it part of the union? How does it work? How often do you do the truck?
Every parade, anytime we can get out in the field.
Thank you. God bless.
Take care.
Check it out. Police food truck. Oh, it's good. I guess all volunteer. Police food truck. Over there. The most police officers for any event in New York City, more than New York. Right near my house. We'll interview some vendors. How much they're making. How much they made. How much they will make. Good morning. Check this out. Special food truck just for police. I guess it's like for a union exclusive for police. Check that out.